I honestly wasn't sure if the Ecovacs T30S was going to survive this past year. It's been in 3 different houses, mapped and remapped multiple times, used nearly every single day, and when I got it back the last time, I actually thought it might be failing. But the surprise came when I figured out why. I test a lot of robot vacuums, and most of them don't stay in rotation long. But the T30S has been one of the few machines that's actually lived in my home long term. And here's how it's held up 1 full year later. 1. Real-world wear and tear. This thing has had a rough year. No sitting in a controlled testing environment. It's been in multiple homes, handling different layouts, carpets, pet situations, flooring, everything. When it came back from a family member most recently, I really thought it was struggling. One of the mop pads wasn't pressing down fully, the vacuum wasn't picking up as well, and the cleaning results were noticeably worse. I thought, okay, this is where it starts to decline. But it wasn't the robot. It was maintenance. 2. The maintenance that fixed everything. I cleaned all the sensors and the dustbin. Then I replaced the mop pads, the roller brush, the vacuum filter, and the vacuum bag. Then I rebooted the robot, and it was instantly back to the performance it had when it was new. This model is very sensitive to worn mop pads. Once they lose that plush texture, it loses mop pressure and cleaning consistency. So maintenance matters more with the T30S than some others, especially the mop pads. But once you keep up on that, the cleaning level really doesn't drop over time. I'll link the replacement part kit that I used to spruce it up. It was surprisingly affordable and very easy to use. 3. Battery life and daily usability. The battery has also held up impressively well. It still runs over 2 hours per charge, just like when I first unboxed it. It can clean my entire 1,000 square foot main level in 1 run, with battery left over. No slowing down, no dying halfway through. This is one of the reasons the T30S doesn't feel like an older robot. It performs like a current one. Though I've tested a lot of newer, more high-end vacuum mops, I still really like the T30S. And the biggest reason is the edge mopping. It gets right up to the baseboards better than a lot of higher-end robots. And in everyday cleaning, edges are 80% of what makes the floor look really clean. If the edges are neat, the whole house looks fresh. The T30S gives me really clean floors with almost no effort, even now, a year later. So after everything this machine has been through, the big question, do I still recommend it after a year? Yes, confidently. As long as you keep up on basic maintenance, the T30S performs like a premium robot for a long time. It's held up better than I expected, and it continues to be one of my favorite daily use cleaning robots in my home. I'll put links in the description for both the T30S and the replacement parts I purchased. Like and subscribe for more smart home reviews.